Our learning target is I can determine whether an ordered pair is on the graph of an exponential function given its equation. So what you need to know, to check if an ordered pair, that's an x, comma y, is on the graph of a function, you substitute that x value into the function's equation, and then you ask yourself this question, is the y coordinate of the ordered pair your answer? If yes, the point is on the graph, and if no, the point's not on the graph. So let's look at an example. Is the point 2, 13 on the graph of the function f of x equals 4 to the x minus 2? So we're going to take that x value, x equals 2, and we're going to substitute that in to our function. So f of 2 equals 4 to the second minus 2, and when we evaluate that, we get 16 minus 2, which is 14. The point 213 is not on the graph because we got 14 for our y when we plugged in the 2, when we substituted in that value of 2 for x. Okay, so let's watch another example. So which point is on the graph of g of x equals 1/4 to the negative x power? So here I have 4 different points to test. I have -1, 1, -2, and 2. So if I start with my first function here, I'm going to substitute in -1. Okay, when I evaluate this, 1/4 to the negative first power is going to give me positive 4. So -1, 4, that is the same point that we have here in choice A. So A would be the correct answer. I don't even have to go through and check the other points because I got my answer right away with choice A. If that one hadn't have worked, we would have had to go down the list and evaluate it at our other x values to see which y matched. Now would be a great time for you to pause, try this one on your own and come back and check. So I have my function here, g of x equals -2 all times 2 to the x plus 1. I'm given, in this case, 3 different x values. I have 2, 0, 2, and -1, but those 2 repeat. So I'm going to start with the first x value of 2. I'm going to evaluate my function at 2. So g of 2 equals -2 times 2 to the 2 plus 1. So when I simplify this, I'm going to end up with 2 to the third, and 2 to the third is 8, and -2 times 8 is -16. So the coordinate here that I get is 2, -16. That was not my choice for A, but if I look here, that is my choice for C. So C would be my correct answer. If you need some more information on this topic, you can check out the Learning Target spreadsheet for additional resources, videos, and practice.